guys, so today I was just, we're walking around town, and I decided, you know what, I want to do a makeup tutorial. I looked at my makeup and I was like, here, I am going to make a video of this too. So I got my makeup ready. Here we go. Okay, let's start with some of this stuff. I don't really know what it is, so let's just use it. All right. So next, we're just gonna smudge this stuff around, and then let's grab this and let's put this on, and then let's get a brush and just go wipey all over my face with it. Yeah, now onto the forehead, because my forehead is not brushed yet. Oh, let's get this powdery stuff. Let's use the thing like a wand, and now let's brush it. Wipey. Here we go. I need to get the nose, and the cheeks, the forehead. Can't forget the forehead, the chin, all that stuff, all the important stuff, Make my face look kind of pale, but next let's get another powdery thing, and let's get another brush as well to wipe it on. Let me see, I think it's a contour or something. I've been doing 10 years of this and I don't know what this is, so I'm just gonna keep going. Forehead, yeah, move that hair out of the way and get my throat and stuff. Don't know what this is, but let's get this skinny brush and wipey. I think this might be like a second layer of contour. I don't even know. I am putting it on. So let's put it on. Anyway, let's put this other stuff on. It's for my nose right here. I'm putting it on my nose. I wipe it on the tip of my nose there, get the little bridge, kind of wipey, I'm still confused as to how I've been doing this for 10 years, yet I still don't know what any of this is. Wipey that on, with this little brush thingamablobby. How about we get another brush and wipe some stuff on top of our eyelids, that might be fun. Yeah, let's see how I'm looking so far. Oh, not too bad. All right, now let's get a crayon. I just hope I don't cut myself with this, all right? Let's just, I think we're gonna make maybe wings or something. I don't really know. Maybe we could make a whole bird on the side of our eyes. The wings might do, but I think I really want a bird. But anyway, let's do that. Kind of looks like a angled beak. Be careful with these because we don't want to hurt ourselves. Anyway, let's thicken this up with a little brush, a piece of brush. We're going to get a yellow crayon, and it looks more like a marker actually, and we're going to put this on our eyebrows. Wipey. Both of them need to be even. Let's do this, and yeah, just keep doing that, and boom. Next, get this little what's it called, eyelash thingamabobber, and let's just pinchy with it. I think that's to curl it, or I don't know. And then let's get this little tube thing to curl them even more and make them look black. It feels weird on my eyelashes. It feels very weird on my eyelashes, but let's keep going. Let me tell you a story, by the way. I do makeup. Interesting story, isn't it? And I've been doing this for 10 years. Don't ask me what any of this is called. Let's move on to the next step. Let's get another powder and brush that on our face. Make our skin more like skin. Let's brush that on. Wipey. Let's just move on and let's get another powder with a skinny brush this time. And let's wipe this on our nose. Getting stuff under our eyelashes and our eye bit near the nose. I don't know what that's called because I didn't go to school. But let's keep going with the makeup stuff. And I just want to say, eyelashes are very important, and these are our eyelashes, so please buy them. Let's put these on. Get the little glue on that. All right, let's stick it on. Yeah, these look fun to put on, so I'll put that on there. All right. And I'll put that one on. Okay, now we're good. Let's get our crayon out, and near the eye bit at the nose again, you want to get your crayon and you want to kind of just wipey, just gently. Make sure not to poke your eye. Let's move on to another powder. This will be fun. I like powders. They are powdery, very powdery. They feel good on my face with the brush. Let's get a little skinny brush and put this on my nose and stuff. Make little freckles, pokey, poke. Look at me poking. I'm so good at poking. Let's move on to the next step. This step, you need to spray your face with a spray. Don't get in your eyes. And then you grab another crayon for on top of your lips. And you want to just put that there. Yeah, go like that. And then you want to smudge it with your finger. And then it kind of, it goes on your whole lip. Oh, that's interesting. Let's wipe this with our finger. Now let's get another brush. Ooh, another brush. I like brushes. And we're gonna put this on our lips and just, brush the stuff that we just put on our lips.
Whatever.
Moving on, we are going to end the video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and hit the like button, please. And, yeah.
Fire lashes.
See you later.